Tengacious came, huh? Tengacious came, huh?
Just turn back and sit if you want to go to Tengasi.
What are you saying?
Oh God, it's been a long time we have crossed Tengasi.
Oh my God, conductor, please stop the bus. I want to get down. Oh my God, what
don't
to
push
do?
me.
Tengasi has gone.
Idiot, how dare you can do that.
Conductor, just stop the bus, I say. Yeah, door is here, na? Yes, steps. Oh my God. Hey, stop the bus. I had a luggage on the top of the bus.
Fast.
Huh? The gunny bag is on the top? I thought it was here only. Oh my God, it was really awkward to sit beside this guy.
Hello. This is not what you think. This is the load. Luggage.
Oh my God, Mount Everest is easy to climb, huh? Oh my God!
Oh, he's died? Bro, the load has been taken down. You can just start the vehicle.
Sir, there is ma.
Oh, money? That's my money only.
It's not money. It's dead body there.
Oh my God, is there a dead body?
Come,
Oh my
come on,
God,
come on.
what is this? I'm really panic about it. Come on, look at it quick. It might create a problem.
Hey, see
Oh
there.
my God, look at that.
There is a man running on. Go there. Oh, catch him. Come on. Hey, stay there.
Now you are okay? What happened?
It's been many years we are going back all these things. That God did not give a child yet.
This is your problem. After coming from temple, you will keep on blabbering about something.
You're very true. There is no point of telling about God. I'm very unlucky. God cannot do anything for me. Raja, please tell me, are you cursing me or what?
Why?
Because I cannot give you a child.
These generation girls can easily understand the men within 10 minutes. But still you are in elementary level only.
Don't say like that, okay? For few things, I'm very clever about it.
Is it so? Huh?
What happened? Which hospital? Is there a problem? You see, if you have a problem, please tell me. Money? How much? Okay, I'll come immediately. Moto,
Sir?
we are going to Madurai.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Mani, did Mom and Meenakshi know anything about your visit
No,
here?
they don't know.
How
can I tell them without knowing what? But I have definitely informed Prashant.
It's not a problem.
Please tell me what happened in detail. I'm already very tense.
I'll tell. Please sit.
What happened to him? Someone call ambulance. Someone call ambulance. Water to him. Soon. Make it soon. Make it soon, guys. Move. Leave some space. Leave some space. Just move. Take care. Call the ambulance.
Quick.
Come on.
Get him in. Come.
Get him.
Get him in.
Slow.
Oh my God. Please save that child.
According to the hospital formality, they have to inform the police about this issue.
We did not do anything wrong. Let them come. You don't worry. We will make them to understand.
That's not the point, Ardhati. We have to save the child at any cost. But it won't be the same case when police gets involved.
Raja, you do one thing. Please call Home Minister Sundaram sir.
For this small issue.
Don't make the issue very big. Let it solve, no. Call him.
Sir, phone call.
Tell him I will call him later.
Sir, he is our Shankar Raj.
Oh, I see. What happened, my dear? Is there any serious problem for him?
No, he is safe now.
Oh, police case. I see. You just don't worry. I will handle it.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. I'll call you later, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Huh?
doctor is calling you.
You also come.
Please,
Thank you, doctor.
he is okay now. No internal injuries. But he is a chronic heart patient. He is counting his days right now.
My God.
The way in which takes the blood from heart to throughout the body is totally damaged right now. The pumping of blood is blocked. 10% is remaining. It means the boy is going to die. We used to name this disease as coarctation of aorta in medical science.
Is this by birth?
Maybe. This disease will come to a child 1 among 1,000 child. It'll be paining, nasal bleeding will be there, loss of respiration, perpetuation. These are the primary symptoms of this disease.
If it is from birth means primary symptoms may be mild. We cannot find out this disease at the beginning stage. But maybe 10 years or 15 years we can find out the symptoms. But at that time the disease will be very crucial.
Any treatment?
He cannot respond to the medicine right now.
Which means
We can save this child's life only through surgery.
We have to do that immediately.
then please make it fast, doctor. Please save him as soon as possible.
It is highly expensive.
No issues. Please do it.
Mr. Shankar Raj, I really want to appreciate you for a great mind. That too, you don't have any blood relationship with this boy, but even though you are doing this sacrifice.
Thank you, doctor.
Sir, please fill this consent form.
We don't know the name of that boy. Shall I write Subramaniam?
No, Subramaniam.
Bala Subramaniam? What about Murugan?
Velu Murugan. Velu Murugan? Velu.
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 Velu. Velu. What about his age? 10?
12 will be fine.
12. And the guardian. Let me write my name. What about the relationship?
Don't think too much. Right, father. Father.
Sir, did you fill it?
Ready. Have it.
We need a blood, AB negative.
My group is AB negative.
Then come.
Go.
Hello.
Oh, SP Vinayagam. You here?
Yeah, for you. Home Minister said it is for his personal.
Oh,
If it is a small problem, you people are handling yourself. But you must want to think about the police department also, huh? Where is that boy?
in operation theatre.
I see.
On small surgery.
Oh, any major?
No, I informed to manager Manimaran. He will be on his way.
You see, there is no missing case of any boy in nearby the police stations. But you just don't worry. We are on the duty and we will definitely find out. it.
No, please don't make this small issue a bigger one.
Then, what's your plan?
Let him come to his conscience, and then we can inquire him. And with those information, we can find his parents easily.
If he didn't have any parents,
Let him be in my custody.
you decided?
Yeah.
Okay. Then, best of luck. See, if there is any emergency, just don't forget to
Sure,
call me, okay?
sure.
I will come and sort out it, okay?
Ah.
Oh, is this what happened? Once I heard that you are in hospital, I was very much shocked. You see, my palpitation has not stopped even now.
You are too innocent and like a small child. You won't take this easily.
It's okay. What happened has happened. The guy who met with an accident with our vehicle has been hospitalized now. That is our responsibility. During examination, we came to know that he had another heart problem and we had spent our money to make it right now. That is our pride now. We have executed our duty and also showed kindness. No problem, now we can leave. Get ready quickly. Go.
Boy wants to see the mother. Any one of you come inside.
Mother?
Arundhati, you can go.
My dear, tell me what is happening here. Accident, mother? Are you hiding something from me? Tell me.
Till now, I didn't get any inquiries about this child. Until then, we have to save this child, right? And it's our duty to save him.
We have to put him in an orphanage and leave. That is the best for us.
It will be inhuman.
See, we have enough tensions already in life. One is connected to the company we have. Veerappan and Sons is creating problems every day for us. That's another tension. I am the only one who is taking care of all this.
So,
Who is that boy? What is his background? Who knows all about this? We should not get into problem unnecessarily.
Please come.
Brother,
Mom? Mom?
what's your name?
Mummy.
Your parents, mother.
Please don't disturb him. Let him sleep.
Mom? Mom?
Raja is very poor. If nobody will come to take him, we will take him to home. Raja, let it be this all God's wish. Raja, please.
Okay.
Very good. This is something very human.
Mr. Mani, if it is our wish, then do that.
Ah?
Whatever the consequences may be, we'll see later.
Okay. I know whatever I say you will not listen. Still, I could not be quiet. You're a magnificent philanthropist, son. You will have the same character. Even the earth cracks, skies fall down. You will never ever change your decision and be strong in it. I know that well.
Okay, you leave now. And one thing, please don't tell this to Mom and Meenakshi. I myself will tell them later.
Okay.
Okay.
Take care. The place where the kings of textiles and handlooms live. A man came here from Palghat 50 years ago. With his kindness and compassion, he became one among these people. His name is Chandrasekhara Mannadia.
Okay, who has given permission? We are to take care of a person about whom we don't know anything at all. How can it be? I will not allow. Okay? Are you supporting this nonsense?
No, not me. I told him right at the beginning.
What does he think? If he does according to his wish, nobody is going to ask him. You see, this is his hard-earned property. How can an unknown person enjoy this property? I have been telling him so many days to adopt a very smart child. He doesn't listen. He was believing that if not today, at least tomorrow, he will get a child in his blood itself. What happened to such a person? What happened? Oh, do you know what your brother has done? Your loving brother is going to bring an unknown child in this house. You be prepared. Do all the arrangements to welcome that child, okay?
What's the problem in the brother's decision?
Oh my God! What is this?
Now why you are calling God and all? You are praying a lot, but God not even turned off you, right? God is not even saying anything to us. Mom, my brother always think a lot and he will decide. He won't take such kind of foolish decisions. Then, in this matter, we should not take any decision. Only sister-in-law. Just see, as already she decided.
My child, Meenakshi. For your good heart, you see, even the God will start crying.
Don't fun with me.
Please come. Where is Dad?
Daddy is inside. He is in puja.
Could you please wait here?
Yeah, Chinnadurai,
Huh?
if someone knows that I came here means my life will be in danger.
Please don't worry.
Okay.
Oh my God, my Savior, save me from my sins.
Dad? Shankar Raj's advocate Chinnappa is here.
First it's Arati, only then Chinnappa.
Dad? He is Subaya. What problem he has done?
When he came down from Kodinavara here, it's already 20 years he has been with us. He may appear to be a fool, but he is really clever in the brains.
Sir, please just don't mistake me. I kept the bag in back and I forgot it. I came back and I watched it. And in the bag, I think only 100 rupees notice there.
Dad, why such serious punishment for 100 rupees loss?
It's not 100 rupees, man. It's 100 lakh rupees. This ugly beggar has gone and lost that income. It took a lot of time to brainwash that man. He put the document at 1 crore rupees higher cost. That was in the bag. And this ugly beggar has lost that income. Now for us to get back the documents, it's just going to be impossible.
Is that so?
Please forgive me, sir. Hereafter, I won't do like this.
I have already forgiven you, man. But my God has not forgiven you.
Oh my God.
You should undergo the punishment.
Oh.
Where is the camphor, sir?
It's there, Dad.
No.
Ah.
So, no, sir. Just leave me. Sir. Sir, please leave me, sir. Oh, no. Firing.
You are no more my manager. You are my peon.
No.
You'll be my
Sir.
walking stick now.
Sir,
You'll come with me
please.
wherever I go.
Hey man, what is the sound inside?
It is a punishing puja.
Oh, is it so? So can I attend that?
No, later.
Oh,
I won't do
okay.
this again. Sir, leave me.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Welcome. Tell me, is Shankara's family doing good over there?
Everyone is doing good.
Listen, he should not be good there. That's why I called you from there to here. See, listen to me carefully. Between Shankaraj Manadiyar and me, the case which is going on in the court, judgment should be in favor of me. It's not only that. Manadiyar Export Company. You see the board over there? That should be thrown out from there. Mudaliar Export Company. That's the new board. That should be fixed up there. Understood? Chinnappa, how can you help me in this matter? Tell me.
Yeah, but the law is supporting him only.
Hey, why did you call this lousy guy here? Did you explain something or not? Huh?
I brought you here after telling everything right.
Actually, you didn't tell me what I have to do.
I'll tell you. In the court, you should argue with my advocate and lose the case. Understood?
Oh.
And if you do so, the reward for that from my side will be 50 lakh rupees.
50
What?
lakhs.
So 50 lakhs is missing?
No. It's enough. Modaliyar. From today, I will look after everything.
Chinadora, fix an appointment with my advocate and let them have a discussion. Okay.
50
Okay.
lakhs.
I'll call you later for sure. Okay?
Okay. 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs. Oh my God. I want to buy a flat right now. If this news goes to Manimaran's son Prashant means he will make me flat. Oh.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes? What do you want?
Madam, I have prepared some modern designs for that Mumbai company.
Show me. Shit, what's this? This all very old designs.
Madam, for last 2 months, I struggled really a lot to prepare these designs. No company still now has established such designs.
Who said like that? You should not certificate your work to yourself. See, Mr. Prashant, if you are working more than a month, is any good products welcome? If we have creativity here, if you are creating attractivity design, not a month, we can do it in a hour.
Sorry, madam. I'll just modify it and I'll come back to you.
No, you should not feel for this. Compared to you, we have lot of young talent people is here. You are wearing a badge called textile designer. Monthly you are getting a salary also, right?
Could you shut your mouth?
Huh?
What the hell are you thinking? If you are a senior, is that so you can talk a lot? Listen, if you question about my identity, then you got to see my real face.
Excellent. No one can stand in front of you. You are awesome.
But you are a very good actor. Wow, what a brilliant acting. To be frank, I got really pissed off. I thought you turned out to be a real boss.
Start soon. If someone is seeing we both are talking, my brother used to question me. That's all.
Oh. One more thing. Today is Valentine's Day. Everyone will say us Lovers' Day. Shall we go and enjoy today?
That and all we enjoyed in our college days, like Laila Majnu. Remember in Anna University? You forgot that?
But for love, age is not a restriction, you know. So don't try to escape and just come with me now, okay?
No chance, dear. Today I have lot of important works, you know.
Huh?
Today my brother is taking his kid from hospital.
Oh.
So I need to receive them in home.
Okay, come, let's go together.
Sorry. They already went to receive them.
Okay.
Actually, I was waiting for you only. Today you are the in charge and you have to take care of the company.
Huh?
See you.
Velu, get up.
Where is mom?
I don't know what happened. For a long time I've been ringing the bell. She did not open the door.
I don't know what is going to happen. I understood about the situation when you called me. I know she will be angry. But the problem is I have to face her, right? I'm already shivering.
The day you took the decision, you should have thought about it that day itself.
what is your name?
Velu.
Velu.
Come inside.
Go.
Come in.
Meenakshi, come here. What is this?
She is Bhagilakshmi, our mom.
Come.
Don't look like that. This is all for you. You have come from a long distance. Take bath and we can eat. Come.
Mom.
You have done a very good job. I don't need anything except your happiness, okay? You see, I like this boy very much. Look, dear, a child need not be born in our own womb. If we accept him, that is more than enough. Language, nativity, color, nothing will be an obstacle for that. Today is an auspicious day. On this day, everything will be a success. All of you please remember, from today, today is his birthday. I think this is the blessing of our God. Come.
Brother, now you are happy?
I just can't believe what is happening here. It's a big relief to me.
What is this? Meenu, this is reality or dream or what?
Everything made by mother. We are not allowed Shanti sister to work.
Come, sit down. You see, grandmother has done so many items for you. Whatever you like, you eat. You have puri, you have idli. Eat well. Maran, our Velu, no, he has come after a big operation. For his life and for his health, we have to celebrate a big festival in our temple, okay? Soon you should make all the arrangements for that. There should be any shortage, okay?
Definitely. We will do it the way you say. That is definite.
Alright, Velu, you see, eat this. Grandmother has cooked everything for you. Okay, eat this. Yeah. Here, eat this.
I only need rice and fish gravy.
Rice and fish curry. Rice and fish curry.
What is this? You need rice and fish curry?
Hey, we reached the home. Stop the car. Stop.
Okay, Mr. Driver, please stop the vehicle. Sir, good afternoon.
What is the problem here?
Good boy.
When did you come?
Madam, you are like God to us. Your husband gave life to us. For this family, we will sacrifice ourselves.
My God, how many times should I say go?
Hey,
okay, come on,
Mutaya,
guys.
Coming Friday, there is a big festival in temple, right?
What?
Don't forget to be on time.
Festival? Dance is there.
There.
And food?
Yeah, man.
Okay, then we will enjoy it.
They must be smashed.
Oh my god.
All of these days I just left you. But you are again and again creating problems to me, you know? I just showed a trailer to you. But if you want to see my full strength, you will lose your life.
Hey, scoundrel, open the door, man. Where's your son, man? Call him.
He is not here. He has gone to factory. He made a small mistake. Don't do anything to him.
Hey, shut your mouth, man. Your account is not yet settled. You have calculated the interest for your account, compound interest for that interest, put it in a small box and kept it in my heart here. Do you all people know? His owner, Shankar Raj Mannadiyar. His father, Chandrasekhar Mannadiyar. He was working in my mill as a petty laborer on daily wages. But today, his family has got millions of rupees. Lots of factories. How did all this come? Who is the reason behind that? I am the reason for that. I am the reason. But I really did a small mistake. In Palakkad, Mannarkadu, a simple taxi driver who was flying a taxi there, I called him and joined him there in Mannadiyar company. And the day he joined the job there, he started digging the grave in all the ways for me. He unnecessarily blamed me and planned to run me out of the company in all ways. He is my sinner.
Veerappa, don't talk as you wish. You understand that first. You first stop acting like a good man. Leave this place first. Because of your betrayal, he kicked you out. Understand that first.
Hey, shut your mouth, man. I'll shoot you down, yes. Whoever comes against me, I'll cease destruction and only then I will think what to do. That is Veerappan style. The day I came out of the company, I really took two vows on the same day. One was to kill you. And the second, to have a direct tussle with that Mannadiyar. But do you know the reason I kept you alive for so many days? When I came out of the company, you really worked hard after that. Did you know how did you become such a big millionaire? Do you know? Hey, that was the wrong calculation which you made about me. But the day when your son hit my son Chinnadurai, my first vow was over on the very day itself. The very day itself. Does anybody know the reason why his son hit my son Chinnadurai? In the carnival, my son tried to hold Shankar Raj Mannadiyar's younger sister and talk to her. If he tried to talk to her, who should get angry? That girl's brother, Shankar Raj Mannadiyar, should be angry on my son. Why the hell did his son get angry over that? That is where the point is. His son and that Shankar Raj Mannadiyar's younger sister, they are in love. They love each other.
Veerappa.
Hey, your son is very cleverer than you. He planned to get married to Shankar Raj Mannadiyar's sister and lead a multi-millionaire prosperous life after that, isn't it? Hey, that plan of yours will not be successful at all. Before that, that company will be owned by me. Listen, Shankar Raj Mannadiyar is more cleverer than what you think. He is looking for the right time to squeeze you and your son under his feet and kick you out of the company and throw you on the road. And I am also waiting for that. I bought a bag full of camphor for you. It's ready in my temple. I throw that camphor on you and your son, burn you alive totally, and take the ashes from there and throw it under my Lord's feet. Be careful. Let's go.
Have you understand? Be careful.
Last.
Oh my God!
My son and Meenakshi? Scoundrel. If Raja comes to know about it.
Just now I came to office. I'll call you later, in 10 minutes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What happened?
Everything is okay, sir.
Good.
Our Raja sir should not get tensed when the Chinnappa is here. We will win this case at any cost.
I trust you blindly.
And then one more thing, I need our property's previous original document. Nothing, there is a small doubt, that's why I want to verify it.
You talk to Mr. Money. And you can leave now.
Okay, thank you. Then...
You get it from Money, he'll give.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Prashant, please come.
Dad, who's seated in this chair?
What did you ask?
I'm asking you who's seated in this chair.
It's not a chair and it's a beautiful memory. My dad used to sit on this.
Then for what purpose the chair is here?
You are questioning me? Velu, it's not only chair. It's the resemblance of my dad. It's a thing which energizes me when I am sad.
Excuse me, sir.
Come in, Prashant. Take your seat.
Thank you, sir. Oh, he's also here.
He wants to see our office.
Okay, so do you like the job?
Anyway, congrats. It is for your fighting skills, man. I think you are a big cinema fan. You are just imitating the stunts which has been shown in movies. Okay, jokes apart. The reason I called you is regarding your designs. It's very interesting and attractive.
Thank you,
and
sir.
I approved it to get it from Meenakshi.
Okay.
Okay, what about the new supervisors? I told you to appoint them, right?
Among 200 applicants, we have selected 10 people. All belong to our state only. Please look at it.
You already examined the details, right? It's enough. Call them for interview.
So when can we call?
I'll tell you the date.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Please. Tell me, Arundhati. Okay. Okay. No need. I'll send him there. Prashant, do me a favor. Velu was supposed to take the medicine after his breakfast.
Oh.
Can you take him home?
Okay, sir.
Go with Uncle now,
I'm going with Meenu.
Hey.
That's fine. He's going behind Meenakshi.
I can't send him alone, so that only I'm asking you to go. Please.
Okay, sir.
This is the original of previous document. In this, clearly mentioned that this property belongs to Manadiyar and Mudaliar's joint property.
Now I'll tell you. Sir, according to this document, only 10 cents of this land belongs to you. Not only that, it was given to you free. Whenever they need it, they'll give you the market value and take the land back. That is what is written in the document.
Okay, just throw that away. Listen, sir. Is there anything possible in the document which can be twisted, which will be in favor of me? Only for that, I spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees on you and brought you here. Now what do you tell for that?
Actually, I think he can't do anything. We want to go in other way.
Hey, shut up, man. Mudaliar, first you keep this chimpanzee out from here. He has totally negative energy.
Let it be, sir. There should be something for an eye wash also.
Okay, then it's okay. In court, I will tell about this previous document. Then you have to ask me to provide that documents. Then I will say that I lost it. Then you have to ask me about the tax receipt. Even that too, I cannot provide in the court. So you can win the case immediately. You have to use that point as a valid point. Then I will be totally collapsed.
This is super idea. I will follow. Sir, you simply don't have to bother about this case. You can sleep peacefully.
Correct.
That's all okay. If the judgment doesn't come in favor of me, then the treatment to you people will not be known to me also.
Agni Kavadi. It's called Agni Kavadi.
Velu.
Huh?
Velu. Come, how is the cycle?
Wow.
Do you like
Yes.
it? Hmm. I bought a brand new cycle for Velu. What happened? You people look so weird. What happened, Ma? Oh. What is the issue? Open your mouth. Oh. Meenu. Meenakshi. Come here. What is the problem here? Huh? You people look so weird and I can't get what's happening. Please tell me what happened. For God's sake, according to my knowledge on my part, I didn't do anything. Can't you open your mouth?
I will tell you.
Tell me.
Someone have proposed I love you to Meena auntie.
Oh, that is the issue. Okay, who is the person?
I don't know who is he, but I will give you the clue.
What clue?
At morning he will be in office. At night he will be in his house. He will be there or he won't.
Oh God, don't confuse me. Tell me directly. Who is he?
Can't you understand? It's Prashant uncle. Ours Prashant uncle.
Raja, let them live happily. Why are you making trouble? See, Prashant is very close to us.
Raja, please forgive me. I never knew about this.
What do you people think about me? Huh? Can't you get me? You got scared? I'm not going to oppose this marriage, Mr. Money. Where is she? I'm very happy about it. I just had an idea and I thought about it, but you made it happen. My hesitation is because I don't know nothing about your love and I was confused in taking decisions. But at least you should have informed me about this. Huh? Happy now?
My God.
Everything is okay. Got a green signal from my brother.
Oh my God!
Prashant, what are you doing?
Sir, you only told, right? Whoever cheat us, we can punish them at any point of time.
Leave him. He's our company's advocate.
Sir, he cheated us, sir. He already cheated us. I caught him at Mudalia's house only.
Yes, but I went there to find some law points. Yeah.
Shut up.
Hey,
there you can
leave him. Do you think I'm a fool and I know nothing about you? I know about you. And I also have the strong instinct. I know that you can betray me at any time. So that only I appointed a Supreme Court advocate for the final hearing.
Sir, you shouldn't leave him.
Leave him. Leave this idiot. Can't you remember your past? You came to my house like a beggar and you begged my father for your survival. And do you think we appointed you as a legal advisor because of your intelligence? It is not the case. We just appointed for your survival. Since we people are doing our job correctly and efficiently, you can just come to the office and you can enjoy the facilities there. I show mercy and leave you only because of my dad. And it won't be the case always. Do you think that you and that bloody Mudaliar can defeat me? You can't. Do you understand? I should not see you again. Get lost.
That Anandamurthy cannot do anything here. You note down. In this factory, I will walk like a lion. But as a chief legal advisor for Mudaliar.
Gone. Everything is gone. The case itself is gone. And all the money I spent for the case is also gone. Hey, that Mannadiyar company was my dream for the past 15 years, man. I've been dreaming for that. You have thrown sand on that, you Chittappa. You have thrown sand on
Mudaliar
that.
sir, I didn't expect that Raja will bring that Anandamurthy from Delhi. It is totally unexpected. I am unaware of that. Mudaliar sir.
Listen, the God over there, I don't know if he's going to forgive or not. I don't know about that. But this Veerappa Mudaliar is not going to forgive me at all.
Mudaliar sir,
Hey,
please
Chinnathurai,
forgive me.
where is that
Don't
arrow?
do that to me.
Yes, it into his
Please,
cheeks. I will become owner of the Mannadiyar company. I will take all the property within myself. Otherwise, I will not leave him.
Dad?
Listen, I will not leave him without destroying his own destiny. I will not leave him at all.
Dad, what I'm supposed to do?
Come with me.
Welcome. What a surprise. Please
Where is
come in.
Prashant uncle?
Today is Sunday, no? He took his bike and left. He is going to race, you know.
Oh.
Maran, we have come here to talk about an important thing.
Money uncle, don't think too much. We came to talk about our Prashant and Meena.
No. What I want to say
You
is...
need not say anything. We have decided everything.
After this final hearing and after this judgment, I think Veerappan's vengeance will come to an end.
Sure.
Or else he will be irritating us all the time and he will be creating problems.
That will be like that. That has been earned in the right way. Nobody can do anything. Everything is due to his luck. From the day this Velu came here, all of us are happy.
He should be admitted into a school.
Academic year is gonna be finished, right? Let's see next year. Till that, we'll teach him in home.
And it's the correct time that we have to plan about the Meenakshi and Prashant's marriage. What do you say, Mom?
That's right.
If you plan about the arrangements, I'll be relieved from a big tension. Because Prashant will handle my company and I will be relaxed. I'll stay with my family. Not only that, except factory, all our assets belong to my one and only sister, Meenakshi. And factory is for Velu's future. Until he stays in our house like a son.
Madam,
When did you come back from?
I came yesterday.
Who is this girl?
She's my granddaughter. Came from our village to see the city.
What's your name?
Malar, madam.
Malar, it will be used in temple, right?
Madam,
Very naughty.
I bought some honey from our village.
Honey? Ganesha, feed some food for her.
Okay, madam. Okay. Come.
Malar?
I will come right now. You play with brother.
You want this? It's good for health. Take it, no?
Come, dear. Come and have the food. My sweetheart.
Velu? Velu? Where are you? Come here.
What happened?
Nothing.
Oh,
Somebody
okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh my God. Come on, come fast. Yeah. Come with me. Fast.
What is this?
2 persons have placed it.
How did you see?
I came to pass urine. At the time, I heard a sound. After then, I saw.
You did a great job. You're my son.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take care of it later.
Okay, sir.
What is this? What a surprise.
Went to the temple. Velu wants to give the prasadam to Meenakshi.
Oh, Meenakshi is on an interview now.
I will be right back.
Madhavan?
Yes.
Madhavan from Arantangi. Do you have any experience regarding this textile field?
No, sir. Still, I'm trying.
Okay.
Auntie.
Shh.
Arjun.
Arjun? Do you know him?
I know. He is Arjun, Chandran bro's son.
Very nice.
Where is he?
Oh no. He's singing. He's singing.
Oh my God.
Yes. He's singing. Hi. Very nice. Zagapan, give it to me. Give it to me. Fish in your mouth. Zagapan, come on.
Jagafin, save him.
I am only saving air, you bloody idiot! Get the boat near to me if you want your wife! Catch that!
Oh, my phone is ringing. Who the hell is calling me right now? I think the Lawrence is calling me. Oh my God. Hey, just come. Come
problem?
here. Come on. Come just a minute. Please come fast.
What happened?
Take it out.
Where will be the phone?
Hey, don't tickling me. Please take the phone. You idiot.
Yes.
Please attend the call and give it to me. Hello. Maria speaking. Oh, police arrested. When and where is he? Hey, please call Chandradan. Oh, don't hit me, you idiot. Please call Chandran.
Okay.
This idiot, what all he does to me. Hello. Oh my God. Sir, please don't do anything to him. I'm his mother. Please, sir. Please leave him.
Who is that?
She is his mother, Muniyamma.
Sir, not Muniyamma. See Muniyamma.
Brother, please carry this. Yes. Yeah, keep it here. Sir, please give it to the sir, okay?
Okay.
Chandran sir is come. Chandran sir, that guy is very bad, but he's my son, right? Please tell them don't do anything.
You be quiet. Come.
It's good. Brother Chandran came.
Will you never change?
Bro, it's by mistake I went into the...
Not required. Give it to me. Don't eat that, okay?
Hello, sir.
Mr. Chandran, come. Take your seat.
Sorry for the inconvenience. What this bloody fool did again, sir?
It's serious. Not only did he behave badly with the foreigners, he also tried to kill them inside the water.
Sir, please take pity on him. Just forgive him. This one time, sir.
Mr. Chandran, people like who you spoil him.
Sir, if he does it once more, please arrest him, sir. I will not interrupt.
If you say like this, how can I not do this? James.
Sir.
Leave him.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. But still, scare him to death, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
I'll leave now.
Okay.
You bloody...
Okay, police brothers, shall I take leave?
You idiot! You have a wife, right? Then why did you go after that woman? You idiot!
Hey, mother, why are you standing here? Don't insult me by shouting here. Go and sell the fish. Wherever I go, this lady will follow me and insults me like anything.
You go straight to the panchayat. I'll come later.
Brother, don't go alone. I will also accompany you. Please, please. I will come with you.
Oh my God! Just carry this.
Okay, I will hold you
Hey,
tightly.
What are you doing?
It is security purpose because I don't believe in myself.
Did you understand what I said? If you think you are the king of this place, then you should do service from your own money. And you are not supposed to cheat the bank and do service.
Sir, please wait, let him come.
Even if he comes, what is he going to do? All these years he was not able to pay. Now what is he going to do? I have just one thing to say. No excuses. I will surely take action.
Sir, no one has talked like this in front of Chandran sir's house.
Is he a big shot or what? Huh? Hello. Whether it's Mr. Chandran or whoever he is, all of them are same before us. Anybody who takes a loan and does not pay will be treated like this.
He has come.
So you've come.
What, sir? Sir, I will come to the bank, sir.
No point in coming empty-handed. Hello. Within 24 hours, if you don't pay the dues, I will send a legal notice for this property.
Oh, if you can, you do.
Babu, shut up, you stupid. If you take a loan and don't pay it back, the bank will take some action. You're behaving like a rogue to the manager. Sir, please leave. I'll come to the bank and pay. If I don't do it, you do whatever you want to.
Come on.
Thank you, sir. It has become to see Govindan nowadays. He is not in sight at all. Still, I'm happy because you have come to my house.
I think the dose was a little too much. A bank manager has power only to implement the rules. And according to that, he is not supposed to harass anyone. No, it's not like how we thought. He's a very popular person there. But then his popularity has been little affected now.
Is that so? We should correct it. We should burn him alive. The way I really raised my lovely young daughter, he brainwashed her and took her away.
One thing, please don't take it otherwise. Since it was Mr. Chandran, you could have agreed to the marriage that time itself.
Stop it! Do you know? We had lands and there was a farmer with us. His name was Krishna Kumar. He obeys every command of my father. But one fine day, he gathered all the farmers and made them live in our land. The guy who fought against my father for all the rights without any respect, that bloody Krishna Kumar's son? Should I marry my daughter to him? Should I? Should I bloody do it?
No, not required.
The prestige of my family, the pride and the glory was spoiled because of him. The people who are celebrating him now should kick them with the shoes on today. He should lose all respect and come to the streets.
Will you please stop? Enough. We have only one daughter. She went away from this house 16 years back. Even now, why are you cursing her like this? Please allow her to live peacefully.
No, I will not leave him. I will not live him peacefully.
In that case, you burn everybody. Then you will be happy.
Be quiet and leave now.
Yes.
You just wait and see. You will know what is the suffering when you lose a child. He also has 2 children.
Take it.
Yeah, give it to me.
Brother, a tea with sugar.
Hey, get another strong tea.
I don't have 4 arms. Just wait, okay?
Sir, 3 puttu and 1 egg curry.
Okay, there is no tea, right?
No.
Okay, 35.
You haven't given the balance.
Balance? I don't have change. If you want, take that.
No, I don't want that. I want money.
Then wait till the change comes.
That is very tasty. Take one and go.
These people.
Oh my God.
Hey, come here, man. Your time has over given by Govind sir. This is the last warning. You have to pay the full amount with interest within 1 week, or you have to face the problem.
Govindan had given quotation to them. What will you do again?
What?
They said inform you.
Go outside. Go outside.
Why?
Don't you understand? I am talking to you only. Go out.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. When did you come? Huh?
Just now.
How was the interview? Is there any chance?
It's okay.
Okay. Come on. Let's have a
I don't
talk.
come. He just thrown me outside.
Who did that? Come. Show me. Come. What is this, brother? You rid him out of the shop, it seems.
It is correct only. But I don't like he comes here.
Why, brother? What happened?
You don't understand that, bro. When I was studying my 3rd standard, I came to the shop to get some money from my father. At that time, my father asked me to supply water to the customers. I gave. On that day, I kept my books here. That's all. From that day, I never went to my school. Even my father liked that.
He says this always.
I don't want my son to be like me. If a person enters into the shop, means he cannot go out. He is the only guy who finished engineering in this village.
He will always speaks like this only.
Did you listen? Look at your father, what kind of dreams he has for you. Why don't you just understand your father?
Yeah.
The last 3-4 days you could not take tuition, so boys went berserk.
Brother, please come here.
What?
Come here. Come here, bro.
Tell me, what is it? Okay, let's go. You take the cycle and go home. I'll come in a few minutes.
Good morning, sir. Okay.
Who are they?
My friends only.
Your friends? Why did you bend yourself?
It's because of respect. Because they are like masters to me. Chandran bro, you know that myself and my mother is not in a same sync. These guys used to remember me, my mother's value.
How is it?
I borrowed some money from that boys. I didn't pay back, so that they used to scold me with my mother's name.
Oh my God, what a shame.
Just see and write it. One day a woodcutter.
Uncle, why don't we play snake and ladder at this time?
Shh. Daddy will come.
We play it quietly, uncle.
Yes. I will allow you to play. You have
Mummy.
become very naughty day by day. Have it, dear. Sit and read properly. Actually, tell me where he went from the shop.
He didn't say anything to me. It's his work, no. So where did he go? That we just don't know. Chakapan taken him. And sister, Chakapan is the very worst fellow in this village, I think so.
I think he went to meet the lawyer. Once he told to me to get the stay from the bank chapter.
He can inform and go, no.
He's not having that habit. He's not even having his dinner properly. What shall I tell about him?
Uncle, we shall play.
Hey.
Hey,
What are you? Just
don't
give it to me.
worry, don't worry.
No.
Hey. Okay. Keep quiet.
Hey.
Keep quiet.
Shut up, I say.
Keep quiet, man.
I want
shut
to
up, I say.
become a
Don't shout, man.
robber, Robin Hood. I will be a thief, and I will.
Hey, shut up, I say.
Go
Go
on,
back,
tie the
go
rope,
there.
man.
It is safe.
Just shut up, I say.
Don't worry.
Hey, come on, go there. Go there. Fast.
Okay, I will. Yes, you beat there.
Just
right. Okay.
shut
okay,
up, I
you
think
go. I will.
Go there.
Okay.
Hey, pull it, man.
I know, man. You shut up.
I told you to hold the rope, not cigarette.
Okay, today we are going to witness a very fantastic of the elastic of the wonderful show.
Hey, come fast. He's on the way. Come on.
You go, man. You go and hide yourself.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
How do you feel now?
I have a very bad headache.
Just don't worry. There is only external injuries, no internal injuries.
She is my daughter. Completed her B.Pharm. Now in Alapura in a pharmaceutical company. She is practicing.
Sir, we want to get statement.
Okay, carry on.
Sir, it is accident, right?
No, it was an attempted murder.
Sir, do you have any suspect?
Yes, it's him. They call him Mr. Chandran. He has done this through his people.
No, it is not possible at all. He only admitted you in this hospital.
Yes, he is very smart. If he himself hates and then takes me to the hospital, then nobody will suspect, no?
It might be the cow's tied rope, so that by unnoticingly you would have fell down.
During night time, who is going to bring around the cow?
The rope must have fell off and it escaped.
Then how did, when I came, exactly the rope fell off? How did it happen?
Drunken drive is on the report. I will just hand over to them, okay?
In that case, the cow would have come in between. Isn't that?
So we can put FIR in that way, okay?
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Doctor? Such a good doctor. Best ethics. You have lot of helping mind. Doctor has to take care of the patient. Instead of that, shall I ask you one thing? When I reached this area, I'm hearing that name only. Chandran. Who's he? Is he MJ's uncle's son? Police have your fear. Doctor have your fear. Is he the big don?
It is not a fear. Everybody loves him. No one is villain to him, Chandran bro. And one thing, he will calm everybody. So only I and the policeman combined and we just diverted your father. We are not interested to make Chandran bros as crime suspicious. What we read in books, it is not the life of ethics. That means there is no anger in between man and man. Everybody want to hug themselves like this.
Darling. Radhika.
I'm here.
Oh, you
come
sitting here? The sea gone very far inside. Because of that fish I didn't get much. But I have few fishes. Take it, fry and give it a chew.
I heard that you went to the police station for your son to get the jamin.
If we do not drink and make such problems in the home, we cannot sleep properly. You know, Annakutti gone to join in church. That time only my Chakapan wedded her. And I received them from my heart. You know what? He is a drunkard and a scoundrel. But I cannot live without him. That is the relation between children and parents. Oh, I did not mean you to hurt. It's been many years now. Don't go with grumblings and grudges. Don't go straight away.
I don't want anything.
If you don't want, then leave it. But I know the feelings of a mother.
Have you ever seen my daughter and her children?
I did not go to my home before see the kids laughing and all. If you want to see that, you must be lucky.
I know what you are saying. What can I do? Don't you know about his character?
It's been 10 years now. Tell him to stop all this stupidity.
Yeah, let everything happen according to God's wish.
Fish! Fish, fish, fish!
God, hear my prayer, please.
Grandma! Grandma!
Come, my dear little ones.
Grandma!
Come. Where is your mother?
Mom is there.
Mom?
My dear child.
Mom?
How are you?
I'm fine. Mom?
Are you alright? What a fate it is. My God. I have to come all the way here to see my one and only daughter.
Daily I'm praying to God to come out from all the anger.
Never. It will not happen in this life. He doesn't have any pity in his heart. His heart is like a rock.
Just open your mouth.
He was alright when he went to school this morning. When the teacher phoned and said he was sick, we were really scared.
He's getting fever often, doctor.
What is the reason, doctor?
Just don't worry, Chandra bro. It is just a fever. Follow these medicines what I give. If temperature didn't decrease, we will go for a blood test.
Okay.
Then don't send him school for 2 days. Now you are happy, no? Just take rest home, huh?
All About Your Dog is a beautiful story written by A.G. Gardner. All About Your Dog is a
Read
beautiful
slowly.
story. All About Your Dog is a beautiful story written by
Mom!
A.G. Gardner.
Mom!
All About Your Dog is a
See
beautiful
him,
story
he is
written by A.G.
disturbing me a
Gardner.
lot.
Arjun, read silently. Don't make noise.
I will be remember when I read loudly.
Okay then. You come inside and read. Don't disturb your sister.
Oh, you are complaining to mummy? I will see you afterwards.
Huh?
You go.
What? Are you fighting with children?
Yeah, Arjun always
That is what you
naughty.
asked for.
Daddy, here my progress report.
All A grades, huh? You're short of 2 marks in maths. What happened? For now, it's okay. Next time you have to score centum. Where is your son?
Arjun?
Where is your progress report? Why are you blinking? Have you scored 0 in all? I have to finalize something today. Amo, get me the cane.
Now I'll take and come.
Hey, come out. I said come out. Hey, show me your progress report. Show it. You are my dearest son.
Yes, you always found of him. You have to see few minutes ago. Isn't it?
Daddy, here.
Ooh.
Get lost.
You see, I am very, very happy, my son.
I have already warned you. Bro, I will pay back the money. But you didn't give anything. Throw it out, leave them alone. Throw it. Throw everything.
What are you doing
outside?
Hey, stop it, I say.
No, please stop.
Hey, where are you?
Do like this. Don't touch it.
Leave me. No. Hey, just leave it.
Leave,
Leave
please.
the guys.
Beat him.
Come on.
One chapati is enough.
Brother,
What?
there is a big problem in the tea shop.
Okay, I'll come now.
Eat and go, dear.
You have food. I'll come, huh?
I don't know why he's like this. He didn't even have the food.
Hey, stop it. You guys think whatever you want you can do here, huh? I'm here.
Hey, you two outside, man. Hey,
Idiot.
how dare you, man? Don't leave them alone. Eat everyone. Hey, you.
Hey, don't touch it. Don't. Hey, leave it. My Buddha. Leave it, man. Leave it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Just come, I say.
Hey, go and tell your Govindan. Till this Chandran is here, he cannot do anything. Go.
Brother Chandra, you tell us where should we go from this place?
Brother, you don't have to go anywhere. Till the day I'm here, nobody can do anything to you.
We are thankful to you.
Be brave, brother.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
You wait here. Lawrence?
Yeah. Mr. Chandran, this is your problem. You get into things which are not required. As it is, they had left him respectfully. It's only after you interfered, they resorted to violence. I'm not showing my kindness for that tea seller. I'm doing this only because of you. Taking this into account, it's going high.
I'll pay it back as soon as possible. I gave you money not to pay the other beggars, you understand? Lawrence, to get loan too, you need some status. People who do not have any status or respect in life should not get this money. I will not let them get this money. Lawrence, I thought this was your hard-earned money, that's why I asked you for a loan. Govindan boss has sucked the blood of poor people and earned this money. I never knew this, but I know now. Did you hear that, Lawrence? There are some useless buggers here. He has eloped with a rich man's daughter and living on the rich man's wealth entire life. Comebacks. Chee! They will live the luxurious life with the other people's money, you know? Lawrence, to live with the girl I loved, I don't need any father's money. Not only that, if she feels that she is not born to a man, that is her fate. Stop. Because you are my wife's father, I am very quiet now. Hey, last time you fought them, made them run away. Don't think that will happen again. There are brave people, courageous people. I'll send them to beat you. Don't try to threaten me. I'm not afraid of death. Others may not know it, but you know it.
Yes. Oh.
At least sometime in the near future, do some good to some people so you can earn some respect. Okay, see you, Lawrence. Lawrence boss.
I'm getting irritated when I see his face.
Hey, you should not talk that way. He is your grandfather.
Whoever he is, I won't accept if anyone scolds my dad.
And one more thing. Do not say this to your mother, okay? Whatever it is, but still he is the father. And your mom will be very worried if she comes to know.
Daddy, I can't able to breathe. I can't breathe.
Arjun, what happened?
I can't breathe.
Oh my God.
Daddy, I can't able to breathe.
Oh, Arjun, nothing. Don't worry. I'm here. I will save you. No, nothing. Don't worry. I will take you. No, don't.
I have heard a lot about you. You help people when they are in need. Be strong.
Doctor, my son.
Nothing will happen to your son. A small operation. After that, he'll be completely healthy. But you have to do it at the earliest.
Doctor, please save my son. Do the operation immediately.
Okay. But the cost will be around 5 to 6 lakhs. Whatever is possible from my side is the doctor's fees, which I can let go. If I don't do even that much for people like you, then there's no point.
You're asking for a big amount. Where will I go?
You'll make it. You're a noble soul. Since you are such a good person, you'll always be supported by the Almighty God. And temporarily, there won't be any problem for 1 week. The medicines will be prevent that for a week. And we will discharge him now itself. After you get ready for operation, you can come.
Okay,
never. Such a illness you never had before, my dear.
In school time itself, I'll be used to get it. At the time, I can't able to breathe.
Oh my goodness.
Then today, when I swimming in the pond, I got bleeding in my nose. At the time, I can't handle the situation.
Then why? You didn't share to me and to dad?
Because mom and dad will be scared about me.
Oh my god. What a fate.
Dad is walking a far away to get the loan from the bank. So that I can't resist our dad's situation. I too were scared to tell about this matter to you.
Daddy? Mom, Daddy has come.
What happened? Already 3 days gone. Doctor gave 1 week time. Our son.
I've asked all the people I know, and I don't know whom to ask anymore.
What you saying?
It is completely hopeless.
You never even see our family. Always caring about the people in the village. But see what happened now. You kept house and shop documents to the brokers for others. You done all this, but what you got finally?
See, I never expected anything in return for all this. Charity is a human duty, but the benefits of that, only God can give.
Actually, no one is there to help you right now. What are you going to do? Are you going to get a statue from these people? It's not going to happen. Wait and see. You're simply imagining everything. I can't bear if I think about our son's health. That's why I was talking like this, my dear.
In this town, I have not gone to only one house. But for my child, I'll also go there.
No. I don't want you to beg to anyone to anymore. I really feel bad.
If you fail for your sons, there is nothing wrong. What can be bigger for me than my son's life, you say? I'll go.
Then I will go. I am the blood relation. Definitely they will think about it. Otherwise, we'll end up with it. All because of our son. Mom.
Dear, my child.
Mom.
I am so happy that you have come here. Why didn't you bring your children along with you?
Actually, I came to meet my father here. I need one help from him.
You know about your father's character. He is still very angry with you.
If we want to kill him, I don't have any other chance. My son is in danger. We need help from him.
My child, what can I do?
Who's there? Oh.
See, our daughter has come.
Has she forgotten her route to the house or has she come begging here?
We looked after our daughter very lovingly.
What? He died long back, about 15 years. We had done the rites too, eh? And I don't think he is roaming like a ghost now. Because we did all the last rites methodically and correctly.
God will not tolerate this. Whatever she does, we cannot say that she is not our daughter.
Shh. Be quiet. I had a daughter. She eloped with a lowlife once. She is completely out of my heart and life.
These are all old stories. Our grandson has some problem in his heart. She has come to ask for some money for the operation of our grandson.
But I don't give alms for these things, you know. But I can offer a beggar. Come on. Come and take it. Get it with your both hands and give it to her.
You come with me.
Stop there. Get out. I said get out of the house.
Don't ever touch her.
You be quiet. I know how to deal with this eloped girl. She has, spoiled my respect in this place. I know the right way to deal with this kind of people. Never ever step into my house again. Oh, the beggar is also here. Hey, let me tell you something. I'll take care of you and your children. I can take him even abroad to give him a good treatment. I will spend lakhs on him. I'm not bothered. But listen to me. Only after this dog dies that will happen. If you cannot wait for his death, kill him and come back. I'll take care of the court and the cases.
You are so cruel. Anything happens to my daughter, I will not spare you.
Dad?
What, my boy?
Will you buy me a cycle for me?
I'll get it.
Dad, see the sky. How many stars are there? Is they all died persons?
Who told you this?
Mom told about this one day.
No, my child.
Look at that, Daddy. Some stars are big and some stars are so small. If big people died means big stars. If children's means small stars. Daddy?
What, my son?
If I died means I will be a tiny star and I will look and laugh towards my dad, mom and my sister. Am I right?
No, don't you ever say. Nothing will happen to you. I'm here now.
Don't leave me alone, Dad. Because I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Everything will be alright. I am here for you. I will take care of everything.
Arjun, it's already late. Go and sleep, dear.
Now you go.
Come with me, Dad.
Listen to me. Go now.
Come.
Go.
Why you are sitting like this?
Madhavan! Madhavan! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! We lost. Our Chandran sir.
Chandra bro?
We lost our Chandran sir. It was a heart attack.
Chandra bro.
Hey, Dad.
My boy, here is the bat. You can start playing.
Hmm? Why you left me alone, Dad? You should have been take me along with you. We used to go everywhere together. Among the stars, which is my dad, whatever it is, I need some space with my father. I want to join with you. Dad, after your death, Mom and sister are suffering more. If I too died means, how will they tolerate that? I'm unable to imagine that. So, with your permission, I'm leaving our home. I'll go somewhere and I will die like an orphan so that no one knows that I died. Love you, Dad. Sister, your Arjun is leaving. Hereafter no one will be there to fight with you. Mother, please forgive me.
Why don't you tell me about this?
I thought you take me home, that's why.
After becoming to normal, you didn't think about your family, huh?
Yes, so many times. But after seeing these people's happiness, I couldn't come. How can I come, uncle, to that house in which my father is not there? But after seeing my photo in the paper, I was very eager to see my mom and sister.
I feel proud about you, my son. You are great.
Now, Arjun, Mom.
Radhika, sister! Sister Radhika! Sister Radhika! Where is Radhika, sister?
Huh?
Where is Radhika, sister?
Go and see
Where?
there.
Okay. Radhika, sister! 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 Our Arjun is in Coimbatore.
What? Are you really saying? Arjun?
It's true, sister. Just now Madhavan called me. He saw Arjun at Coimbatore. He said that he's living like a prince in a big house.
My Arjun. My son Arjun.
Sister? Sister, what happened? What happened?
God.
Sister! Sister!
What happened?
Sister, what happened? What happened to you? Somebody get some water.
Velu, come on.
Yes, mom, I'm coming.
Just don't shout, I say. Come with me.
Hey, idiot.
Just come with me.
Hey, leave, man.
Hey, quick, get away fast. Come fast. Hey,
Leave, man.
Hey,
Fast, otherwise I will call the
get
police.
away.
Leave,
Hey,
man.
come fast. Just get up.
Leave,
Come on.
man. Take him inside.
Get him.
Leave me.
Yeah.
Where are you taking me? Leave me.
Take the car, I say. Come in.
Come inside. Madam, someone is kidnapping your child, ma'am.
Oh my God.
no.
Velu.
Velu! Velu!
Velu.
Come, Velu, come with me.
Oh my God.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Hello. What?
When does it happen?
Raja, I'm sure this is definitely Veerappan. He is the one who will do such acts.
Brother,
You need not
brother
panic.
Velu.
Prashant, take the car.
Okay, sir.
Money, come
No,
with
there
me.
is nobody here.
We'll see this issue later. Come with me.
4 crores for me, 1 crore for you. Is that okay?
Deal.
You are also getting 1 crore, no sweat, huh?
He is not clear.
1 crore, 1 crore.
Acha,
Who is that?
acha.
Yeah,
Come on,
yeah.
Raja, come, Raja. Tell me what is my mistake, Raja.
You didn't do.
Hey.
Come with
Come
me.
here. Hey, Raja, why is this punishment for me? What is my mistake? Tell me.
Don't you remember there is a God and he will punish you for your karma? You're harvesting the thing which you sowed earlier. Where is he?
There he is.
I'm asking about Velu.
What? Velu?
I need nothing. Nothing. Now all my asset and my factory belongs to my sister Meenakshi. I just want to lead my life peacefully. But still, I have a promise to fulfill. At any cost, I have to find the Velu's mom. He wants to see his mom.
What do you want me to do for that?
Tell me, where is Velu?
I have called you, no? Why did you go to the company? You see, you want to give me 10 lakhs, okay? After we receiving the cash, we want to kill that boy. If we missed him, then we will be on the problem.
What kind of nonsense are you talking? I will kill you, bloody. Get out, get out.
Hey, what happened?
This is
Why
the
are
fellow.
you hitting
This
me?
is the fellow. Our Velu. Where? I'll kill you.
No,
Hey,
no.
you are standing beside me and digging my grave.
No, boss.
I should have killed you long back for all the deeds you did for me. I should kill you. There should be nothing left in you anymore.
can touch my dad.
Your dad. Do you know about your dad?
Be careful. Let's go.
Will I let him give the factory to an orphan? I will block it. Let my son marry that girl first. I will start playing the game afterwards. With the desire, I have been building dreams about this for a long time. And that is the reason I got rid of Veerappan from the factory. I will be with you and keep digging your grave on the side. But I need a scapegoat to blame. Subaya, I have to meet you all alone, so come alone. What happened?
Someone seen us.
Vladi, you're not fit to do even one single thing.
Today we lost it, but tomorrow we can win, no? If you are getting the factory, just don't forget to give me 10 lakhs,
Get in
huh?
the car.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay. Sir, they plan to kill that small boy in your farmhouse only, sir. Go and save him.
In my farmhouse. Raja, go save her fast.
Raja, please, please forgive me, Raja. Prashant.
Chinadhar, you also go with him. Go help Raja. Go.
Bro, wait, I'm also coming. Okay, bro.
Where are you trying to run away? You both will have to take the fire test now. Come with me.
Prashant uncle! Prashant uncle! Help me! Prashant uncle! Please help me!
Are you okay? Come, let's go. Are you okay? Come.
Mummy?
Arjun?
Mummy? Mummy?
Arjun?
Mummy? Sister?
Thank you so much. God bless you. Shall I take him with me?
Raja, tell her to don't take him.
We already expected these things to happen. And we have no right to separate the child from his mom. We have to just live with his memories. That's our fate.
Tell goodbye to everyone, dear.
Grandma.
You should study well and become a good person. God will bless you.
Venu auntie, don't be angry with me. Me and my family will worship you daily because you both saved my life.
I'm leaving.
Just a minute. Have it. Sir told to give it to you. Your children should study well. Because of money, they shouldn't face any problem. If you need any help, please call us at any time. We are waiting for Arjun's life progress card and we will do anything for it. This place is everything to me. Since from my date of birth itself, Arundhati's sister is always helpful to me all these days. Like a mother, like a sister, every time. Even though she hasn't any child, she forgot all that worries and she is still happy. She doesn't show anything on her face. But now, Arjun is leaving, right? That's what she is so worried. I'm sure she is much worried as Arjun is departing from here, right? But still, I hope everything will be alright soon.
Come.
Mom?
Maybe I gave the birth to him. But you gave rebirth to him. You are the real parents. Actually, I cried whole life. I finished crying. Hereafter, because of him, you should not cry and you should not worry about him. His father won't get rest in peace.
Why are you all worried like this? Even if he is away from us, Velu is our loving child. No. Arjun.
No, Velu. Okay, Arjun Velu.